When I started teaching, I really enjoyed the light bulb moments that were happening in front of me. And when they learned something, the looks on their faces and their smiles and their happiness, I found that so exciting. My name is Esther Barrett and I'm a subject specialist with GISC. PLP provides us with an opportunity to have our own space to be able to collate and keep and record our continuing professional development. There's very few portfolio platforms out there which are just personal to you. Whichever job they're in, as a registered practitioner, they can take that portfolio with them wherever they go throughout their career. But I was using it for a teaching and learning platform as well, and even though it wasn't designed for that, it can be adaptable and to be able to be used for other purposes. And I was able to use the PLP to create a workbook, not to fill in, but to contain the resources that I wanted to share with my learners. So they were able to come into the PLP, they were able to access all the learning materials and all the activities that I wanted to share with them. And later on, when it came to assessment, my learners were all able to access the PLP very easily. They were able to get support from the Education Workforce Council if they were struggling, but everybody on the course was able to upload their evidence, collate it into a collection, and then be able to share it with myself and my colleagues and the internal quality assurance. That's the exciting part of learning technologies, and an e-portfolio platform and a place to put all these exciting things that you can do is an integral part of that process.